it's Devin from the Kush Crib. You're probably all wondering why you're in my bathroom. Well, this is why. E-Wax Extracts has given us a nice CBD bath bomb in lavender that we have here, and we're going to check it out. I'm going to throw it in, and then I'm going to get in, but we're not going to show that. And here we go.
They made this one.
Look at it go. Look at the beautiful color. I can already smell it. Definitely smell lavender. Look at it buzzing up there. You can almost hear it. Well, we're going to pause here, and I will be back in a minute to tell you how it was. So as you can see, I'm fresh out of that bath. Loved it. Bath bomb was amazing from E-Wax Extracts. I feel relaxed. My skin feels smooth. Ready for a nap now. Everyone check it out. Devin here from the Kush Crib. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Thanks for checking out my videos. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you like what you see. And hopefully I'll bring you some more great content in the future. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.